what skills would actually help us most? So to make that, to make this interesting, I'm gonna give you three possible skills, all of which I think you'll agree are pretty attractive. Let's think about each of them carefully. Take a minute for each of them. The first skill is that you have 1000% more likelihood of finding a unicorn. 1000, that's 11 times more likelihood.
Yeah, but what's my likelihood today?
Okay.
I can't.
Hold that answer. That's cheating. I'm giving away 1000 times.
Zero is still.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay. Then the second choice on the list is being 50% better at finding deals that will exit, but at a maximum of 50 million. 50 million or less exits. So by the way, that, 50% better odds of that. Okay, I'd sign up for that if I could also. And then option C is being 25% better at just avoiding the failures.
See.
Okay, what do people,
I
what
think-
what do people want?
I think Mike's right, the probability of A is just so low that 10 times 0.00 whatever, it's not a big number.
Anybody want to disagree with Bill?
I think it depends on how many companies invest. So if I have a strategy, only invest in companies that I feel will be unicorns, so the strategy A is better. I mean, it really depends on your pool, right?
But at our level. the
Yeah.
probability-
Yeah, it depends what game you're playing. Tim Draper is playing A. That's all he's.
It's like the lottery,
Right.
this level, picking each.
But they have an ability to drive it too,
Yeah,
because they have an ability to throw another $5 million into something, steal a little bit more, steals an incorrect word. Obtain a little bit more percentage of the cap table than they would otherwise have done, and then push towards an IPO or something. So they have the ability, yeah, we don't have the ability to do
Oh,
that.
can I make up another point about Draper and Sequoia and Benchmark and all those people? How many investments in startups do they make every year? You know?
big firms a lot, yeah.
On average, about 250.
Yeah.
So why does that matter? Because, so the answer is actually unambiguous. The most valuable thing is actually C.